Mutongoi wa Azimio Raila Odinga niwatisya kutongoesya enenthi kuleana na itambya yake President William Ruto ya kuvuthya Koti. Raila niwaweta kana nthi ya Kenya yisilite maumu maingi muvaka yakwata katiba ayenda atongoi onthe evo President Ruto manenge Ndaia Koti na mayiatiia miao na utui wa Koti niwaweta kana nthi ya Kenya itongoiwe ni miao na ya katiba na ni ivinda katiba kanewe Ndaia na Ruto ayeka kulikilela Koti. Twelewe mbeanginiwe Joseph Kibeka.
Ngoi ya Azimio Kenya Raila Odinga niwatisya kutongoesya enenthi kuleana na itambya ya President Dr. William Ruto ya Kwenda kuvuthya na wikisya ndeto mbyu muvea wa Koti. Ainene achathini kimwe Raila niwatula muti vanene ndeto sya President Ruto sya kana muvea wa Koti wina ulusani mwingi ula withiitwe ituma milati imwe ya serikali ikwama iwete kana vaitonyeka President akatanawa ni mautu ala maumwa ni Koti meke ngaliko ya serikali na ala maumwa mateke ngaliko ya serikali ndambi ya matula muti.
The election of the presidency and the court ruled against us in spite of all the evidence that we put before that court. They came and rubbished everything. Hearsay, rubbish and so on. That's what you said. You said we don't agree with this ruling, but we respect the court because they have got the constitutional right to do so. You are yourself a product of the ruling of that court. And you're saying that you're going to disregard and disrespect the ruling of that court. We will not allow you to do it. Everybody must be subject to the courts. And you can see the orchestrated campaign to intimidate and blackmail the courts. You want to tell the judges and the magistrates not to be cowed. Tell them that we, together with the millions and millions of Kenyans, are behind you and we will defend you.
Kwenda na Raila ni kana nthi ita yisilite mawito manene yikwata katiba kalake evoka oyu anonginya President ula ikivilani ati miao ila yivo ya mauthasyo makoti nundu nthi itongoewa ni miao ya katiba.
We are dealing with a regime that has gone rogue. You know, it took us a long time to come up with this constitution. The struggle to get a new constitution was not an easy one. We lost people in the process. For example, the people who did not want to hear the word devolution. And you know that we lost Odinga Mumbai, who was the chairman of the devolution committee at Bomas of Kenya. Eventually, the devolution came, but the same forces who are fighting against devolution are right at it right now, trying to undermine devolution.
Ni watula mutingi serikali haiwete kana ukava wa mbunge na wegi umuvuko ni serikali valaju withi tukivikithia sindu na mituki vategwiwa mwene nthitei na yithia mwene nthi ndana akwata aki.
There was a team that is busy coming up drafting amendments to various acts of parliament whose aim is to try to claw back on powers that have been given to the county government constitutionally. So many of these acts are being drafted somewhere, and because they've already taken parliament captive, they are being passed in parliament without any amendments. When we were in parliament, debate on a bill did not have any time limitation. And you could talk on a bill for an hour, for 2 hours, for a day. So long as you don't repeat yourself, nobody will stop you.
Noka vilane kuvala ndongo yengi ya umbulakana chumani chituendete watanio iya Azimio taikuitha yunya uneni wo kulakwi enenthi kukonania na hundu maundu maende mangalama ya mikale na hundu mayisilite kwikata Kenya ethe serikali iyo methukisya.
I'm saying that we are going to release a comprehensive statement on the financial outlook in this country and the proposed measures by the government and what position should be taken, what we will take ourselves as a people. as Kenyans. We will release that statement next week.
Joseph Kitheka, ngilivote vlingi wa Mauvo, Mutongoi TV.